Hello.
Hello.
Yo.
Morning.
Morning, bro. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Cheeseburger I got here. It waits for both to get cooked by.
You going to church yet?
Yeah, I have. I'll say it looks bullish to me, but I'm still waiting.
Yeah, this looks like chop so far. So
Why?
I don't really have a bias or I can't see anything right now. It's just chopping. Hmm. I'm curious as to how this day is gonna end up. Today's Friday.
It's,
And this entire week we had a pretty lackluster last selected price action. So I want to see how this week turns. This Friday turns out. You watching?
I have RG in the back, but it's from his partnership with 2 Degrees right now.
I don't know anything about Dodgy.
You said what?
So I don't know anything about Dodgy.
Yeah, I'm trying to trade one strategy, and I like that strategy. Uh, a free stream right now with 2 Degrees, and I got it in the background, but
What's 2 degrees?
2 Degrees, they're like coding kind of. They, I don't know. I just found him recently. He has like a partnership with 2 Degrees.
You talking about trading, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
2 Degrees is like their name. They code indicators, and they're trying to work with him on coding an indicator that like trades his setup.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's actually like what they're working on is tough. Can't even lie.
That's cool. What a 1 minute fair value gap there, Erica. If it holds that, that's green for your trade.
Sir.
Yeah, we gotta break out of this area. Take buy side for me to be even remotely interested.
Yeah, currently I'm uninterested. I have no bias. I'm waiting for a setup, but I'm keeping my mind open to shorts, and I'm not the same bullish.
Facts. QQQ has like got to the downside. What's that? I'm curious. But I wonder how like I wonder what they think of the indicator. That 2% or 2 degrees people.
What they think?
Yeah, because like because um, it's not just like moving averages or anything like that. It's like literally fair value gaps, inverse. Like I wonder what they think of it. Like, oh, is this so hard, or is it easy, or like you know, because I always thought of it,
Yeah,
and I obviously code a little bit, so I want to see what they think. Like, is it actually easy or not?
yeah. I mean, it's an indicator at the end of the day. So you
Oh, it's an
gotta.
indicator. Okay, it's an
I
indicator.
don't know how they do it, but I am interested. I'm intrigued. Like I'm willing to test it out too myself.
Yeah.
Cause he 2 degrees. They got some forever model indicator, and I be seeing some of the posts they trade when it how they do it, and it's fascinating. But especially with dodgy strategy, which is like ICT,
Mm.
it could really be game changer if it's valid to say the least.
1 minute to the open. I'm gonna respect the fact that we've been ranging this entire day. So I want to break out first before I even think about longs, even though it does look a little bullish here.
Yeah, market opens in the 30 seconds, so no rush. We do have data lows, right? Let me see. Yep.
Do we?
Yeah, it hasn't been taken.
Sure. Anyway, just oh, sure, you're up. Open there.
Because we had the CPI today, right?
No, it's some news. It's
Wow,
PCE.
we did. See.
It's just holding point of control from pre-market. Little buying. Fair value gap there at the bottom. Put it right on the tape. Put it green there. Let's let this pan out. I'm still respecting the consolidation. What levels would I be looking at? I don't know. Maybe break of 421 and then I'll look for a buy. They're coming lower, a little bit of green on the volume profile into a fair value gap. It's interesting. Looks ugly though. A lot of green on the tape there, and a fair value gap. Green on the volume profile. Turn red, right on the tape. Value here, volume control, point of control is right there. Just waiting, bro. It's nothing. So we haven't done anything yet, honestly. Look like we might do something, but so right now, I'm definitely okay with waiting. Put a green right there at the bottom. It turned into red. That's interesting.
I'm currently short.
Okay. Everybody's short. Nice.
I see data lows is a good target before it goes up.
Yeah. It's the value area with the red. So I like to see it, but I just want to see a better setup. Looks like a good setup, but green at the bottom there, but got in there. Right on the tape. Green there. Right on the tape. Just looks bearish. Right on the heat map as well. Right there for breaking the low. It's like it wants to break, but I'm not gonna lie to you, but this is still it's like value right there. This area, I gotta it has to break the low for me. 15 coming up. We got news at 9:45. It's not buying here. I don't know why. Took the low. It's a crack. I'm using 3 minutes. Fuck the low. Control move lower again. It's just buying. Too much buying at the bottom there. It's just not turning red. And it's right before news. too much behind, bro. Yeah, I gotta wait for that. Yeah, that's what was throwing me off. Cause it's like it's too much. It was just not turning red. It's just not turning red. And we have news, and then we're back in value. Just chop. It's a new 15-minute. What's gold doing? It's going so low. We'll have to trade that. It's a little more clean. What's going on? Yeah. Just stuck in value. At least value for gold is all the way up here. I don't know if we saw a run to the downside though. Oh, it's so slow for me. Yeah. Chopping. Yeah, PA just sucks right now. Makes sense.
You think that we'll come this far and not take those side?
We're dropping ourselves on NQ, huh?
Yeah, sell side is the first target.
totally broke. Let's see. Can I get an entry? I cannot.
TP just got hit.
Nice.
Thanks.
I'm looking at I'm looking at that low 226. Oh,
Now I'm gonna wait for sell side to get taken, and then we'll see from there. Or if I get a re-entry. I got out because this is the eval, the top step, and I think I could, yeah, I could only make like 1,500.
but I took the low there. Take the low. I'm gonna take the low. I'm gonna take the low.
Of course, you don't take that low. If we come all over here, don't take that low. It make no sense. You got TP there?
Yeah.
Nice. Once we take that low on NQ, I don't think we're moving to take ES though, so that's gonna create a bullish SMT. Currently, we do not have a SMT though.
Bro, what the
Just
fuck?
because
This is so back. Like everything just went completely backwards for me. That's crazy. So it was strong green. Looked like gold was about to go higher, and then Nasdaq looked like it was about to go lower. Everything just flipped. Crazy. It didn't even take the low. Wow.
I mean, it's not saying that it won't. Yeah, maybe on the 1 minute I know how it could look crazy, but on like a 5 minute, it still looks straight. Looks like it'll take the low. We have a new 5 minute coming up. That is a crazy wick. It's right there, but yeah, if it's bearish, let me see the 15 minute orb as well. I was going to take the inverse fair value gap right here for buys, but it wouldn't make sense. We never really took it. Yeah, we bearish it. New 15 in 4 minutes.
Gold is going lower, so it's gonna struggle a little bit. Is that not going lower? That's crazy. Gold tanking. Gold is literally capsizing. It is in 40 seconds. Gold is tanking, so I don't see why Nasdaq would go lower.
It's kind of what was happening up there before it broke down here.
We gotta wait for
It
gold
shot.
to bounce. This
What the
is
fuck?
yeah. I mean, it's tanking, bro. On gold, like
Accumulation, manipulation, not distribution.
you just can't make this shit up, bro. Like gold is not bounced yet, so I don't expect this to keep. I don't expect this to go lower.
Yeah, I gotta change my bias after that one.
I mean, if gold finds a bottom, then eventually, which we're not. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. We're tanking on gold. No way. Yeah, if we don't find a bottom on gold, then we're not going lower anytime soon on NQ. That's so strange. Like, why did it just do that?
I would say this though: the bullish entry for me would have been that inverse fair value gap on that 953. Inverse low there. It's just why didn't we take that low? At this point,
It looked like it wanted to too. That's what was throwing me off. Like it looked like it was right there, it's close. But when it started taking time, I should have known that I was gonna do that. Literal bullshit. Okay, we're finding a bottom on. We're tracing a little bit on gold, but that don't mean nothing. Finding a bottom here on gold. So we're back in value for Nasdaq. So I don't know.
You think it was at 10 a.m. that orange folder news? I think that's the only thing I could say like catalyst something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense now. Cool. I didn't know there was 10 a.m. news.
Yeah, that's why like I don't care if it's orange, yo, bro. It's everything, bro. All this like they can use anything and everything. Move that market the other way.
Yeah, there's a few along here that the indicator this is technically a up, but yeah, I just goes against my buyer. So
Yeah, Dodgy has a bearish bias right now.
well,
His indicator is trading against him.
Wait, what happened?
Funny. I said Dodgy has a bearish bias.
Mm-hmm.
His indicator though is calling out a call.
It's interesting. Nice. Bouncing on gold and on Nasdaq. But what about ES? Still in value for Nasdaq. I really can't take a trade here. Damn, I really thought we were gonna take that low. I hate when it does that shit. Like, shit, like yes, yes was nowhere close to that low. Did we fill the gap on VIX? Sure we did.
Uh, my perspective with taking a low now that it was more of something like wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story.
Yeah,
It took the body.
took the body. Yeah,
I'm gonna start targeting the body more.
'cause that there's no way you could have missed your TP if you were targeting the body.
Oh, I got my
Oh
TP.
yeah, you got your TP. Yeah.
Yeah, Bing had my TP. I'm just saying, in general. Now I'm trading my Apex accounts. Well, if I find a trade. Which I'm bullish now. Can't even lie to all that. But we'll see. I'll let you know if I answer though.
All right. Let's straight value, bro. We're back in that consolidation. I really don't like this price action. Oh well. I'm not like too mad, but I'm also kind of upset. 1 minute fair value gap there. I'll get it for a buy. Got a tape there at the top. That's interesting. It's not strong. Mm. I shorted that. No, my screen just froze. My Wi-Fi just went out.
You said you entered a short?
Yes. My screen just froze and my Wi-Fi went out. Want that fair value gap to fill and keep going.
Oh, I was waiting. If we inverse it, I'll answer for the short. But I was gonna answer for a buy if we go up off of this. But we are coming down, so I'm trying to stay on buy. Yeah.
Could be wrong here. Just because it's a new 15 and you gotta make a top wick and this price section should have rejected harder. Something like that. Not full.
I mean, you are also buying at a like high of the chop kind of thing. So even if we continue to chop in this range, let me see how this aligns with the 15-minute orb. Yeah, it's a good place to short on the 15-minute orb, at least with risk management. Yeah, after that reaction, I gotta buy this giant. What? I don't even know. I don't think I'm tripping. I got in for calls off the 1 minute. I'm targeting high, which is open high. It's not that far. Open high is at 390.
I respect it. I respect it.
If we come here, we should be taking at least open high. But we saw what it did with the sell side. So and with the trend, yeah, I was waiting for an entry on calls. I don't want to miss this one.
Like if I lose the trade, I wouldn't be like surprised. So I'm shorting a top, but I wanted my idea is like we the reaction was a little like that pump up was just kind of random, and then like um it's selling at the high apparently, and then what was I about to say? I was about to say something. Yeah, the selling at the high on volume profile, and then um what you call it? Yeah, we just been consolidating, so I'm kind of trying to respect the consolidation. Like, okay, we pumped up, now let's dump back down. Like, kind of to respect that consolidation.
Like,
Like
go back.
a trend continuation. It's like just something is out of it's just out of the characteristic of the session so far. But if I'm wrong in the trade, I can't be too mad about it.
Yeah, I respect that too. Um, I guess my perspective is I've been not taking trends continuation in the past, so I'm trying to take them more now. This trend is your friend.
5.
Need this continuation. Uh, changed my target.
So what?
I changed my target. I'm now targeting that 8 a.m. candle high. There's liquidity there at around 420. I think it's an opportunity. It like got really close to TP, didn't take it. We made a higher low. I say once we break that high, I can think about break even or something. But if I'm to target buy side, that's good.
Those have not like budged at that high. So I don't know. I just can't see this. I just can't see this going higher. If it goes high, I 100% can't be mad at myself. I just trade.
Another thing, I could see it going higher because it's kind of like forming a wedge, and if it was to short, it should have been sold. Like it's being bought, kind of like we need to break out of this bullish wedge.
This value bring like this is pretty much value now. So I don't even think I want to be in this trade anymore. It's pretty much value. It's probably gonna move up here, and that could be, yeah, yeah.
All right, we took that high. Not bad. We need continuation.
Continue coming up.
Nice.
15. 5 minute look good. Took the high and then started retracing. Wow.
Yeah, I wanted to close above that high.
That could be the bottom wick for the continuation. But if we continue, man,
I wouldn't be surprised though.
man, I want to see this trade like fail, so I can literally throw this volume profile in the garbage. I mean, sellers have not let up.
It might be time to throw that thing in the garbage, bro.
I might be. But I'm waiting. As soon as I hit my
But
stop
I
loss.
only say that because I'm in this trade.
Nah, I figured, but it's just like, I mean, we'll see. Shit, we'll see. I mean, sellers have not let up. I mean, they're just sitting right here. If we had switched to buying, then I would have cut the trade. But we have not let up, and we're still. We might let up here.
Everything keeps. I don't know. I think buyers are stronger though right now.
That's what it's saying. That's what it's showing in price action. But holy shit, like the volume looks like it's just selling. We'll see though. I want to see this shit hit my stop loss.
What was your stop loss at? Let me make sure.
4-2.
Let me go to market maker real quick.
All right, now let's see. Oh, what? We have not. I want to see this shit hit my stop loss, bro. I want to step away and not even look at this because ain't nothing I can do about it. But holy shit.
Yeah, you know why you're in the trade if it's your setup or like you see the trade idea, set it and forget it. You know the risk. I don't know if I feel the same about this though. It might not be a good thing.
I mean, like, if we're supposed to go higher, we were supposed to go higher, right? We're crying without freaking out loud.
We are going higher though. Like right now we're in
We
a
are. We are.
up trend.
A little bit. We are making lower highs, higher lows and higher highs. But I expect it to start moving. I need this shit to hit my stop. I'm watching this thing. If this joint hit my stop loss, man, I promise you I'm throwing this in the garbage. I've never seen a more clear indicator talking about there's sellers right here and we're staying around that area and I don't know.
Yeah, I might have to listen to you on that one now.
Nah, don't. Nah, this is a case study right here. This is a case study right here. Stick, because I'm not gonna lie. Without the volume profile, I'd probably be in this long too. That's why I'm like really watching this.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't use volume profile, but let me make sure I'm not in ignorance what the market's telling me.
Cause like if I without the volume profile, I don't care. I would still be in this long, even if it's sharp. I would still be in this long. But just because the volume profile is like showing bearish at the highs, it's just like I don't know. So I just a case study for me. I'm just learning. The second this shit fails, I promise you, I'm throwing it in the trash. There's no point.
I tried to use the volume profile before I found ICT, but it got expensive.
You got what?
It got expensive at that time.
Oh yeah.
Using us here charts.
Yeah. E5.
Yeah, so I had a footprint and volume profile with them, but it was costing me like 150 a month, something like that. I was not making bread at that time. Paid like 2 3 months. I was like, yeah,
Yeah. Now we're in value. Uh, this is a high, like the volume, the point of control moves higher now. So now it's like really any man's game at this point. Because it might not even go anywhere. It might just chop right here. Call it a day. It might not even go lower. Oh shit. It has, I wanted to hit my stop loss. I already accepted the risk.
yeah. I'm thinking cutting this right now.
Right on the tape there.
Actually, on the 15 minute, we also have a fair value gap. I'd like to see it type from that.
Keep going right.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm still in this though.
I move my stop up to 359, 395. Holy shit, man.
Oh yeah, the market makers heard that one.
Like, they said, what? You trying to protect your risk? Oh, I got you. Don't worry. And this is value area. I don't know, bro. Technically, I'm not even like, it's bullshit, bro. I'll stop out. Garbage. Yeah, I mean, technically, nah,
Yeah, I mean
it's
that is so you saved money. I would say because that 402 is gonna get hit too. Did he get hit? 402. 40.
no,
But it's gonna get hit.
this is uh, I mean, value moved up like, so it could be any. It's garbage. I can't. It's too slow. Like, I don't know, bro. I can't. Like, the only thing I could say, yeah, it's garbage. I can't. I feel about that. He took the high, came down, didn't.
I think it's super bullish now because we didn't even take that fair value gap. We kind of left it too. Um, that's very bullish. That kind of reaction. See, once we hit like that 420s, um, that's buy side. taking his time and decisiveness. Hmm. Keep going. You don't even need that 1 minute, bro.
You know what's so funny? If I did not, I hate trading, bro. It pisses me off. I manage my risk and
I'm pissed off right now. You talking about you pissed off? I'm pissed off. What? What is this?
I mean, it's at the woman in fair value gap, and that's point of control. I mean, it could keep going higher. I need 15 coming up. I don't know.
Good at. That's good. I might get out break even for. I don't know if I like this. Yeah. Bullshit.
Oh, yeah, chopping. I mean, we're in the value area, right? What else would we be doing here but chopping? It means they like this price, so even if it goes anywhere, it's gonna come back to the value area. The woman in fair value gap there. A bearish one. Started changing sentiment after news. Wait a minute. Yeah. Share. Value areas here. Left of value. Then return. So, I ended up wasting money because it never tapped my stop list. Oh, wonderful.
I'm wasting money because it hit my TP originally, and then now I'm still in this trade, but I'm losing now. It did hit my original TP though. I'm still biased with this Bulls, but I would have been happy with the 2 bands. Oh wow, this is very short now. I hope the market makers hear me.
I don't think so.
We inverse the fair value gap. We took those. I don't like being in this buy. I'm thinking of okay, we did tap that 15-minute though just now.
Yeah. Yeah, we did just tap the 15-minute, and yeah, I got in that. When it tapped the 15, I got in that for long.
I was a sniper.
Just because I
You can
don't,
see what
there's
more. Yeah.
no reason for it to like, no reason for it to start breaking lower. That was a good discount. They bought it up for after news, and that was a good discount. That's happened to 15, but you know, and it's buying at the high there, so that selling could also be uh buyers taking profit. So it coming down like that, it's a good entry. So my target will probably be 421, which is so close.
Yeah. I have mine at right under it. Actually, let me look at what the body of it is. I ain't gonna make that mistake twice. Alright, my target just moved down. I'm targeting 410.
E5 coming up. Mm, 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 mm.
Yo, E, what's it called? You stay in Moco, right?
Nah. Stay in PG.
Oh, you stay in PG?
Yeah.
What part?
Like in like the Heightsville, Riverdale area.
Oh, where? Yeah, I lived in high school when I first moved to this country.
Oh yeah.
Um, what's it called? I'll say like, hey, sometime this summer we should definitely link up.
Facts. It's about time, right?
Yeah, I'll be closer to that area, so probably link around like Silver Spring area.
You be in the gym, right?
Yeah, I'm back in the gym now, so
You get a workout in or something. Five. This is value. I don't expect it to break out. Like,
yeah, price action different. Um, Probably 11. I'm thinking about getting off then.
I, it's it's at value, bro. I don't. It's just not. It's just not going. Which makes sense. I just thought maybe we'll get the breakout. Why not? But Set point of control again. We get momentum after that. That'd be nice. Just trailing my stop. Just trailing it. If it rejects any second, I'll just fucking get out of that. Nice. I'm trailing it super tight on the 1 second. Nice. Nice. Super tight on the 1 second. Stopped out. Yeah, because we're in value, so I'm only targeting a point of control. Beautiful trade. Get the continuation. That would be interesting.
What's it called? You took profit?
Yeah, I took profit.
Nice. You had a really good entry. I've been in his. Yeah, a little bit now.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. I don't want to. I'm trying to think of the market logically now. I'm trying to like, because I feel like if I think of it logically, it'll reduce my chances of doing dumb stuff. So, um, we created news happened at 10 a.m. We were dropping, but then news happened at 10 a.m. and then the interest shifted from lower to higher. So they apparently like that news or whatever. So now prices started going higher. So any dip, it's like okay. And then also point of control is at the highs there. So that means that they bought all this up and agreed on that price all the way at the top there. So any dip below should get bought back up into point of control. So that's what I was
Where's the point of control right now?
73, 74.
Hmm.
Because that's the price they agree on. So if anything, it should go higher, and any dip down should get bought up because the interest shouldn't have changed. You know what I'm saying? Like it shouldn't have changed. Like where unless like news comes out that oh bullshit is happening, you know, that's when the market should start selling off type shit. But if there's no news coming out, then the interest should not have changed. So if it takes a low again, I'll buy that. I'll buy that target and point of control again. All right, so it took the low again. Is there a new hour coming up as well? I'll wait for that to close. If a new hour comes, I'm buying that 100%. So we can point of control again. Almost want to buy right now. I really want to wait for the new hour. I can wait 20 seconds, right? I can wait 15 seconds, right? I can wait 10 seconds, right? Like, I can wait. I'm looking for a quick little scout, like I said, point of control. Hey man, I just missed the trade. Oh well. I just missed the trade. Whatever. Love it. A lot of value being brought up here. If open interest is going lower. I just missed that trade. Almost top point of control. Gentle baby. Like, it should be no reason why this continues going higher. And if it does, I don't think it's going to go higher much. But then that just wouldn't explain. I don't know. Just all this dumb value. Like, can't even be trading this. Whatever. It's probably like, because when buyers take profit, it turns into sell order. So it could be just buyers taking profit. And that could also be the reason why we're slowly going lower. And but literally in that 15-minute gap, there's like buying. So like I said, point of control is bullshit. I don't have time. Six that low again, I'm buying it. Stop at point of control. Crap, oh crap. Uh, Consumer sentiment. People are optimistic about the market. I wonder if, I wonder if like people care about traders.
You said what?
No, I'm saying I wonder if like Trump cares about traders. I'm like, I don't want these traders to lose too much money, or I don't know. I wonder if it ever crosses his mind.
Not like us. I don't think people does cross like him. His traders are billionaires,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
and he cares about them for sure.
100%, 100%.
But who knows? He might have a son who trades or something. It'll be tough. Imagine, because his son like 18 or something, like 19.
Yeah.
Like he traded and he just telling his dad about his trades. He keep going million. Buy the stock market. And his son just goes crazy. Doom goes up. President. I think that's illegal. Never mind.
Very illegal.
Probably doesn't do that. Yeah. Life is on the spotlight.
My TP is at point of control if it hits it. Hopefully it will. That would be pretty unfortunate.
It's pretty unfortunate.
Ah, so close. Wait, almost stopped it. Trailing. Ah, don't hit my TP. Wait, keep going. Wait, trailing tight.
Don't
Oh
keep,
shit.
don't keep going. Reject right here. Go back down to the bottom. Take data lows.
I just TP on accident. That's okay.
UTP. I was trying to tell the market to do the opposite. It seems to do the opposite of whatever I'm saying right now. It literally, it's the TP.
Yep. I just working. New 5 coming up. This is really chop. Like like the reason why this is chopping is because we're in value, bro. Like this is the highest traded area, also known as consolidation, the entire day. So it's like there's no reason for it to leave this area. Like there's no reason. There's no news coming out. Only at 12, and then like where's your TP, Nate?
410.
Holy shit.
It's not even far for. It's like 50 points. this 15 minute did not do its job. I think might be time to free this. My TP, my original TP that I set, have been got hit, but my ass moved it. Um, can't complain about that though. So I mean, to be honest though, this is we're like in chop is crazy. Like I entered beginning, not beginning, but like around that 10:17. So I've been in this trade for almost an hour, and I'm down. Holy shit! I'm about to shit now.
I just bought that again. I was just about to say like that one should be like kind of triggered. I gotta get ready.
Yeah, I'm about to just see if I can manage this race. But yeah, this is not good.
But if it comes back up to point of control, bro, I think you should TP like
Yeah,
372. That's a good place to
yeah,
TP.
that's calm.
Holy shit. Let me move my TP, please. Thank you. What's that mute? I gotta go break even. Just have to 5 minute fair value gap. And then, what's this bullshit? The value is like starting to shift over a little bit. We TP. Could we TP? Can we TP? That'd be nice. Can we fucking TP today? Can we fucking TP? Can we fucking TP? No. Break even. We 5 coming up. We 15 too. Holy shit, man. Ugh. I gotta accept that risk. Rejected hard off the 5. Three seconds left. I need immediate reaction. Immediate reactions. No. Well, we get it. Yeah, I get the pop here. Let's have the 5 minute gap there and two, and then project it.
Eee. I think it's my time to move away from Apex because I'm not buying anymore. Like these evals are. I think it's also the fact that I'm alternating between 50Ks and 250Ks, so my money management has it's not really aligned with them. I'm doing a lot better on my 50Ks right now.
That's so crazy. That indicator. How's that Dodgy's indicator?
I haven't used it. I didn't get it
Oh,
yet.
what was you? I'm saying you saying that it was a sell. Dodgy was saying it was a sell, and his indicator was saying it was a buy. Whatever.
Yeah, so like there was a couple of times I heard Dodgy saying he's getting out break even because usually like once he targets like the recent high or low for whatever his trade is, he just moves his things to break even. He got stopped out break even a lot today, where he says, and then it's also I remember he was in shorts, but then he got stopped out because he moved his thing to break even. But he would have been winning right now. Um, I, from what I've seen in their live though, the indicator is something that you're supposed to use with your like with your model, so you don't want to rely fully on it. Um, and it's beta pretty much because today's the first day I think they're trying to drop it. Um, it needs to be back tested, but I'm gonna get it. I'm about to buy it.
Oh, you.
I tried to buy it and then yesterday I was on a wait list and I thought it would automatically like charge me today. It did not.
It costs.
So
It costs money.
hmm?
How much it costs?
45.
It's not bad.
Uh,
That's like the sweet
There's a lot of
spot.
huh?
That's like the sweet spot. Like $50, $45 for. I realize like they usually charge around that for indicators and stuff. Even for challenges, it's like $50.
Yeah, I think it's good. Right now, you're only trading Top Step, right? Or you still got like Tradify?
No, I only talk so.
Yeah, I think Top Step was what I'm gonna stick to. I like their $50 and 1 to 5 days, 200, all of that. But the biggest thing, my biggest reason that I'm going to Top Step right now is how long it takes for them to pay out. Apex takes too long, bro.
Why you say that?
Especially like when I was getting a thousand, like if I'm taking 1,000 out on Apex, they'll be their time is quicker. But then as soon as I'm trying to withdraw 2,000, 3,000, I gotta wait a week. I gotta wait 2 weeks.
2 weeks for a $2,000 payout.
Yeah, cause like it'll take them like 2 days to approve it, and then it'll take after that. They'll send a in one more day. They'll send like a message that says your payment has been sent. You will have it in like 3 to 7 business days,
I
and
know
then
Top Step be doing that too, bro. It depends. Like sometimes it be quick, sometimes it be slow. It just depends like on their processing time.
yeah, but I'm already hit that Apex's processing time is a lot slower. Um, yeah, so I ended up waiting like 6, 7 business days, which is almost 2 weeks. Yeah, it is 2 weeks if I count the day I requested. So from the day I requested to the day it hit my bank, I'm sure that was like 2 weeks. It's not a bad thing because like right now it's not like I have big responsibilities like bills and whatnot. But if you want your money quick, that would fry you because you're already working like a month, 2 weeks to get that payout, and then another. It's like, what's this timeline looking like? Maybe I should have a live. But you, hey, I guess the patience. That's what I gotta learn. Then. But today was a good trading day.
Like optimism.
At least the beginning half, and then I messed myself up in the second fade because I didn't stick to my TP. I got a little more greedy. I don't know if that's greedy.
I mean, I just feel like you just did what you knew because I don't think you're a greedy person. Like you be TPing quick, so
Yeah.
I don't, you don't strike. And then what? The TP was right there. I don't blame you for that TP. Like that was a pretty decent, made sense, equalized. It made sense.
Yeah, that it was a good TP. Maybe it was. I'm trying to look at what it could have been because maybe just you gotta take your L when you take your L.
But if it's that point of control, 100%, I'm TPing. I'm in this long. Like I'm holding this. Wow.
Alright, off these charts. Actually, let me see if I can buy his indicator right now. Actually, I might buy a couple of these indicators. Like this guy is valid.
So
He
what
got
does it?
four
What
up.
does it do?
Um,
Like it just tell you when to buy. Like what does it do?
yeah, it tells you when to buy, but it's also based on. It has like a lot of custom settings. So from what I see, if you're bullish, you could put in your settings bullish, and it'll only show you bullish setups, and it'll also let you know when to like go break even. Um, what the higher TP is, drawing liquidity. To be honest, it don't make me lazy,
Yeah,
but
that's why I don't like them joints because it's like damn, you really are just gonna come to the market and just hit buy sell, and then like my brain is not gonna be in use at all. It's just gonna be watching that thing and then buy. Like I don't
when
know.
you say it like that, I don't even know if I want it anymore because today I didn't use it, and I would say it was good,
But hey, man,
good
if it
day.
works, it works. I don't know. Like that's just how I see it. If it works, it works though.
Yeah, if it, we'll see over time. I like this for buys, but
It smoked right there. Back in that 1 minute.
I'm also
That might be the new point of control. Yeah. Moving for hours.
bro. I'm actually low key. The more I think about it, it's actually frying me.
What?
Because I went on Apex and I have like a daily like. Okay, I'm just trying to make 2,000 get off. Because these are 250Ks, right?
Yeah.
It hit. I went all the way up to like 2,700.
Mhm.
Why did I not see P, bruh?
I thought you said you had a
I was
limit at 2,000.
talking about withdrawal.
No, like you said, I thought your daily profit target was at 2K.
Yeah, my TP was at 2K, and then I moved it up when I had
Oh,
it at
that's greedy.
the
Yeah.
high at that 930 high. That was for.
We about to hit that point of control here. If we do,
But then when I moved
all right. That's TP in 3, 2.
when I moved it higher, I think my TP turned to 6,000,
Holy shit.
and then that's when hey, I'll follow my rules. I guess never too good for that.
That almost hit TP. I just take it here. Fuck it.
That's nice. Where'd you get in on?
325.
Wow, you got in off that fair value gap on the one that mitigated.
On 5. And then one was just extra confluence. And then there was buys there too. This type point of control. I'm trailing it super tight. Fuck it. Holy shit, bro. If it doesn't go here, I'll be mad. I wanted to hit my full TP.
Wait,
Ah,
so far, how long have you been using volume profile?
it's been like a week. Maybe like 2 weeks. No, like
I,
so what happened, right? So I was using it at first. I didn't know how to use it. Then I figured out how to use it. So now I'm just like kind of like trying to understand like all the ins and outs.
today, would you say it was valid?
Like I have to still understand it. Like I can't really like say
Or
oh if it's valid or
yeah,
not. I'm still trying to understand it because like you know when people use bookmap and all that,
yeah.
it's the same thing. It's all the same. So it's like it's not. If we break through point of control, that'd be amazing. I'm trailing the super tight. Hit my full TP, please and thank you. I'm begging you. Like, holy shit. Can we get it? Nice. Nice, 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 nice. This is, I need to try this tight. Fuck. It'll go reverse any second now. This is
Imagine it goes to 420.
imagine.
I took myself. I took myself out the trade.
That's good. Did
But
you took it out right? Nice. Yeah, that's a good
yeah,
TP. I'm just trailing that tight because why not? I'm already up. Holy shit, bro. Can we get it? Time? You 5 minute? I gotta give it room. If this rejects, bro. Damn. You 5 rejected hard. Took me out. That's okay. Whatever. That's
yeah. I
okay.
took a loss on his Apex accounts, but I feel fuck Apex right now, so I'm not even. Yeah, but we made 1,500 on the top step. You gotta be consistent with that one.
That's good.
Wow.
What?
I hate taking a loss and then seeing that shit.
Nah, that was a good TP, bro. Like I don't know. Or
Yeah, I
did you
know.
did your TP
It
have a
is.
point of control or what?
No, I don't even know. You said point of control is at 75?
70.
I don't
Yeah,
have.
it's around 70. Yeah,
I just got out because I'm hungry and this is. I was weighed down too much.
yeah. I respect it. Yeah.
Whew. Nigga could breathe now.
Right.
I was holding my breath. I was almost blowing on my screen for a little bit.
Yeah.
Nah, this is bad. I want to do better than this. I think I need that indicator. Yeah, I need this crazy. I do not need shit. But I want that indicator. Oh my gosh. Hey, have a good day, bro. You might go eat. Need
Thanks,
some
so.
breakfast. Somebody make some eggs or something.
All right, man.
I'm kidding, bro. You work this weekend
This weekend,
or next week? You off the same days?
yeah.
All right, word. Would you be down to do something
Wait, what are you doing this weekend?
this weekend? I ain't doing. I mean, Saturday I got church, and then Sunday I'm about to just hoop. But the hooping thing not really serious, so
Okay.
cooling for real. But I think your off day is probably a better day.
Okay. All right, bet. I mean, we could hit the gym or something.
All right, bet.
All right.
The gym.
Yeah.
Low key, I'm just doing my gym workouts and stuff like on the dolo right now. Um, but we could grab some food or we could do a Bible study too.
Yeah, we could do that.
Uh, yeah. But
All right.
have a good day, bro.
All right, man. You too. It's so funny how we hit point of control, smack dab, and rejected the hardest I've ever seen in my life. Crazy. It's right on the tape. Is it news coming up, right? Hello? Hold on. Let me get some. Oh, I gotta go. Charity, Charity, Charity. You did a good thing, man. Oh, that. Oh, oh. You know what I mean? Charity, man. I said, you did a good thing. That lockout, I'm not gonna lie, saved me. Only losing $1,000, even though I wouldn't have lost that account. But I mean, today I shouldn't have traded. It was the price action was just so nasty. I probably should have traded gold. That's gonna be part of my checklist. But the price action was nasty. But we locked out. Yeah, I locked out on Dutch for the week on that account. Yeah. I mean, I think that was a pretty good week. Like 3K on the week. Oh no, I made 14, but then I lost 1,000. But this, what I was sharing was my combine. I'm about to lose. Huh? I can't hear you. Coming for Ubers. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do.